horsepower of the new Fuel Impact is great. You're able to do all the jobs very easily with it. It drills very fast.
Well, the new Milwaukee Impact was really fast. The screws go in really, really nicely.
The new Fuel Impact is compact and it's really nice for carrying it with us and getting in between studs.
The new Fuel Impact works great for us. It powers through everything. Even with its smaller size, it gets through everything that we need it to do.
The new Fuel Impact has plenty of power.
It has different speed settings, which makes it a very versatile tool.
It works very smoothly. The batteries usually last us all day.
It's a great tool. It's small, it's compact, it's powerful.
I'm impressed. New Impact will definitely do the job.